Let's now calculate the this one is a not such a tricky question, one of the easy one. So they are saying a certain number which when divided by 24 leaves remainder 11. Determine the remainder when number is divided by 8. The easy question, they have given the answer. So the simple trick is when n is divided by 24 remainder is 11. So when n is divided by, means if the number is smaller than 24, so number should be 11 for the for getting the remainder as 1, like this. 24,000, so remainder is 11, so number can be 11. If for 24 ones are 24, 24, 24, let's write down the series here, 24, 48, like that. So if number is greater than 24, so 24 plus 11, it is number could be 35. If number is greater than 48, that's what only when we can get 24 twos are 48 and we'll get remainder as 11. So 48 plus 11 is 59. So series will goes on like this. So let's calculate for these three numbers first what we will getting the remainder for these three numbers only when 11 is divided by 8. 11 ones are 8 ones are 8, so 8 minus it is remainder is 3. For 35, 8 8 fours are 32, minus we are again getting remainder 3. For 59 divided by 8, 7s are 56, minus again we are getting remainder 8. So answer is 3. D is the answer is 8. That's it, easy question. Hello friends, this is GRE Total Prep and the chapter is Remainder, HCF and LCM, and this one is going to be a bit tricky question. It's easy, not that tough, but a bit trick in there. So let's find out how to solve this question. Find the greatest number. Again, I always said like that. Here they are asking find the greatest number. So greatest number is, we know it has some relation with GCD, that is greatest common divisible, which is also known as a HCF, highest common factor. So they are saying a greatest number, it has some relation with GCD or HCF. That's the trick. So find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. Oh, tricky one. Means we have to calculate the number which when divided by all those three numbers, and it should be a greatest number, and it should give the remainder as uh, similar remainder in each case. So there are lots of tricks we can calculate for, means we can divide it for 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and 5 until we will get the answer. And we cannot be sure because they're asking for the greatest number, so we have to go on dividing with the different numbers. So trick for this is, we know we have to do 91 minus 43 is equal to, so 91 minus 43 is 48. So difference between these two numbers and difference between these two numbers, so 183 minus 91 is equal to 92. Now we have to calculate the GCD for these two numbers. For finding the GCD we need a factors for these numbers, so we can take the factors with the least power. So for 48, we know for 48, 2 2 2s are 24 2s are, so 2 into 12, so 2 2 into 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3s are 48. That's right. For 92, let's do a factorization. So means for factorization, let's divide it. We have 6, then 23 23 is not a factor of anything, so we have 23 here. So 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. So least power of 23 is 0 because we don't have least power of 23. We can consider it multiply by 23 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. The least power of 23 is 0, so 23 is not valid. The least power of 3, we don't have 3 here, so we can take either 3 raised to 0. So 3 raised to 0 is 1, so it's not valid. The least power of the 3 is also not valid. Then we have 1 2 3 4 times 2 raised to 4, and we have 2 raised to 2. So least power of 2 is 2. So GCD or HCF is equal to 2 raised to 2. So GCD is equal to 2 raised to 2 is 4. So your answer should be 4. Let's find out. You do your calculation, divide those numbers with a 4, and you will get the same remainder in each case, and this is the greatest possible number which will give the which when divided by those numbers will give the same remainder. Okay, so that's the trick. Just remember this. When they ask for the greatest number so as to get the similar remainder, you have to find out the numbers by subtracting two numbers, and then we have to find the LCM for these two numbers, and the LCM for these two numbers is the answer. Sorry, not the LCM, the GCD. I'm sorry for that. We have to find the GCD, means HCF for these numbers, and the HCF or a GCD is the answer. Thank you. Let's calculate the similar type of question again. Here they are saying to find the greatest number that will divide 101, 257 and 353 so as to leave the same remainder. In each case they have not given any options, so let's find out. 257 minus 101 will give 156. Then 353 minus 257, it will give 96. Now we have to find the factors of 156 and 96. Okay, let's find the factors for 96. So when it's divided by 2 we'll get 45 plus 3 is 48. When divided by 24, when divided by 2, 12, divided by 2, 6, divided by 2, 3. So those are the factors for 96. What about 156? So let's half of 150 is 75 plus 3 is 78. Then when divided by 2, again when divided by 2, half of 70 is 35 plus 4 is 39. And when divided by 13, I guess 13 threes are, yes, I am not good in tables, that's why it's taking me time. Then 0. So those are the factors. So least factors are we have power of 2. Least power of 2 is 2 raised to 2 multiply by 13. We don't have here 13, so we can't consider it. 3 we have ones, here we have ones, so into 3. So answer should be 2 raised to 2 is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So 12 should be the answer. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome on GRE Total Prep, and here on reminders at HCF and LCM. This question is not the one which is tricky one, but this is the one in which I made mistake myself. It's the easiest question in which I made mistake. So let's see what the question is. It's one of the easiest question. What will be the least number? We know the least number which when doubled will be exactly divisible by 12, 18, 21 and 30. So they're asking for least number which when doubled will get it divisible by 12, 18, and 20 and 30. So easiest way is to find out the LCM for 12, 18, 21 and 30. For 12, 2 into 2 into 3. For 18, 2 into 9, so 3 into 3. 7 into 3. For it is 3 into 5 into 2. So we have to calculate the LCM. The number of interest are, we have to take the maximum power. So maximum power for 3 is twice 2 times here, so 3 square. Maximum power for 2 is 2 here, so multiply by 2 square. So this is not valid. 3, this is not valid. This 3 is not valid. This 2 is not valid. Multiply by 7, multiply by 5. So let's find out what's the answer. Here we can see the multiplication of all those numbers will give you 1260, 1260. Now let's read the question again. This one is the LCM, and here we have this same answer, but the question is what will be the least number which when doubled will exactly divisible by 12, 18. So we have to double the number. We have to find which is half of this number in this given answer, so we can double it, and then that can become the 1260. So 1260 can divide 12, 18, 21 and 30. So half of 1260, so 1260, this one is not the answer. Half of 1260 divided by 2 is 630. So answer should be 630. That was where I made the mistake. I consider this is an answer as soon as I get the 1260, but they are asking the number which when they doubled that will become the 1260. That's the trick. So just read question properly, that's all. Thank you.